got a free Thai cookie. I like this. Comfort food. I needed one. I also have free cheese roll from my Vincent Mother. I love free food. Bakit ka? I'm gonna eat the free cookie from the Thai cookie from the grab and also the clean. So clean. This one is my favorite, the OG chocolate chip. What? Guys, we're buying toothbrush. I'm thinking kung ito, blue or white. Blue or white. Or can I see? Blue. No. Blue na lang. Yun na.
Guys, gano'n ko ka-cloud chaser. Gano'n ko katapang. Ready siyang ilagay yung phone niya sa labas para lang magkaroon kami ng cute na video.
Okay, first time ever trying these Spanish latte of bitter and twisted. And alam ko pala this. So, 3.
Wag na.
Inawa naman ako, guys.
Uy, wag mong batiin. Kung hindi susuko, hindi tayo bibili. Guys, sponsoran niyo ako ng AirPods.
Sponsoran nyo na din ng iPad. Naalala ko, binigyan ko siya ng iPad case kasi nasa wishlist niya yun. Sira naman pala yung iPad niya.
Oy, ito ang AirPods ko. Ayos siya. AirPods case. Parang yung iPad case din.
Ang saya-saya niya pa. Yung may iPad case na ako. Kulang na lang iPad. O, diba? Ang galing-galing talaga ni Vlog si Casey.
Yung AirPods is okay. And then, ayan, wala siyang cover. So, kailangan ko ng cover.
Tikman ko lang tong donut. This one is the black zesty. Akin is strawberry cheese. Matabang. I feel like matabang ng biscuits. May kasi ako sa matamis. So feeling ko din, mataas na yung standard ko sa matamis. Pero yung coffee, I really like it.
Feeling ko, mapopost ko pa to August na. Sobrang dami kong videos, pero I'll try my best to post.
And hopefully makapag out of the country na ulit because I need a breather sa life. Very overused top kasi every time wala akong ice cream suotin. This is what I'm wearing. Kaya nagpipicture kami here. Tapos sabi ko, guys, may something. Kasi nakasulat, pick me. Pero natakot akong kunin kasi, you know, as an overthinker. So, si Carl yung nag-open. Then, eto nakasulat. Find the, like this, and then, ruthsandboas.com. Official. And get something special. Cute. Guys, nagbato-bato pick pa sila para lang kung sinong sasama sa akin. Bilisan nyo, malay nyo. Guys, unboxing of what I got. Because di ba may ingay, no? Ang ingay. Because I got the patch. Tapos nagkaroon ako ng free shirt from Ruth and Boss. And it's so cute. Because very innovative nga. As of Kyle. Yun yung sabi niya. I got small. Kasi sabi nung nagbigay, small daw ako. Kasi it's oversized fit. Tinanong ko naman to si Casey. Sabi ko, do you think I'm small? Sabi niya, i-claim na lang natin na small. So, okay, I got the small one. This is the patch that I got. This is the shirt. And you can put the patch here.
Ay, dito ka.
And then you can also remove it. There's like a Velcro. So cool. Medyo sad kasi ako the past few weeks. And I feel like my life is going to turn around because of this. Kasi nagkaroon ako ng free shirt. And I feel like pag sinuot ko to, life is going to be good. So, abangan nyo na lang yung gamitin ko to soon. We are nasa Taqueria Franco. Kumakain na si Kai. Okay, I'll get this one. Parang sarap na to. This one is the spinach. Spinach what? Spinach what? This one. Sarap. Sarap. Ano yan? Ano ito? Sarap. Ano yan?
Ay,
Lipid ka sa ligaw. Okay. Kapag yan. Ikaw magbabayad ng lahat.
naramdaman ko yung pag-slide. Ay!
Guys, ang ganda ng nails. Ayoko lang ng medyo sweet na part.
Ito ano?
Pero masarap. Sarap. Don't like the
Ito yung
caramel.
pork na to. Okay.
It's good, pero meron siyang cilantro. I don't eat cilantro.
Okay, this one is the lamb thing. Ang dami niyang filling. Hindi ko na napakita kasi yung
Kita mo?
Oo. Caught on cam. Good morning. Actually, good afternoon na ata. Yes, it's good afternoon na. It's 12 p.m. And maaga ako nagising. Like, 7 a.m. gising na ako. Then, nag-bed drop lang ako the whole morning. So, kakabangon ko lang. And nag-ayos ako ng face. Alam ko hindi siya maayos. Hindi rin maayos yung hair ko. And I will clean the condo. Because Casey will come here and he's gonna just rot with me here sa condo. These past few days kasi I'm just really not in the mood. I just wanna rot in bed. But that's not possible because I'm already working. I'm just very upset. Yun na siguro yung word that I will use for you guys. I'm just very upset. Kaya nga, I don't know if napapansin nyo, although mapopost ko to like in a few months pa, pero kung makikita nyo sa mga vlogs ko, like I'm always out kasi it's my friends. Like they're forcing me to go out kasi I just wanna rot in bed. Hi guys, kakaalis lang ni Casey and I look so horrible. Like, tignan niyo naman yung mukhang yan, but this is the very bare-faced Pao. And as I said, wala ako sa mood talaga these days, and I feel like a lot of people would relate to me, especially my friends, because they're all crashing out too, which is funny because besties so hard. Charot. One advice that I would give as someone who crashes out a lot, I have to know what my love language is. My love language is receiving gifts, but ayoko na din kasing gumastos. So, skip tayo doon. There's a second na love language ko, which is quality time. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to spend some time with myself. Quality time with myself. So that's actually what I did lang the whole day. Before Casey went here, I was couch rotting, bed rotting. Like, ako lang mag-isa. And since it's gabi na, it's late na, I'm going to take a long cold shower and then skincare. And like, I'm really going to take my time in doing it. Kasi nga, quality time yung love language. And to be honest, I feel so much better after that. Like, I do not feel 100% better, and I know that when I wake up tomorrow, I'm gonna feel like zero again, like zero itlog na naman. But para lang makapag-move forward tayo sa life, you have to do these things for yourself because no one's going to do it for you. Ikaw lang. And syempre, for the people around you who loves you and who's always there for you to support you, be thankful na lang, guys. Kasi it's not their responsibility naman eh. Like, what happens in your life, it's not their responsibility. Pero it's their choice to be there for you kasi nga, they love you. And you guys should let them love you. If you're like around 20s, and above. You have to take accountability of your actions, and you have to acknowledge then the people who are there for you, to support you, to love you, and who tries to understand you. I mean, it's hard doing that to yourself. To do that pa kaya to another person, diba? It's hard. I don't know what the main point of this part of the vlog is, but what I'm trying to say is life is hard, and the only way that you can make it feel a little bit better is love. Hi! Isa lang yung pilig mata niya, so ganyan. Pero ayan, sponty date. Kasi wala rin kaming mabook.
Wala kami mag-book na ko.
So magde-date na lang kami at magka-crash out. Our favorite bonding.
Lagi daw na isa, pwede ba niya?
Hindi ko na napakita yung reaction ko sa food, pero it's so good. It's like a cookie and a croissant. And lubos na siya. After working hours na, tapos nagkita na naman kami nitong babaeng to. And nagsiswimming kami. Hi, I'm so unhealthy looking. So, ito lang papakita natin. A part ng body. But, swimming kami ni Moy kasi we're crashing out. So, kailangan every single day may gagawin kaming something para di kami mag-crash out. And for today, it's swimming. So, swimming na kami. Our coping mechanism is medyo magastos. So, kailangan namin ganito na lang. So, swimming na kami. And, umangon. Basta, lumabas ako ng pool doon. Para lang mag-video. Si Moy naglalap siya. Tapos ako, wala lang. Ano lang ako dito. M&M lang. You watch us, guys.
Hi! End ko na to.
Oh my God, guys, I did it. Umakyat ako dyan. Kaso ang sakit, nagkasugat ata ako. Okay lang, umakyat ako dyan. I'm so proud of myself. Yan na, umangat na kami. Tama na daw sabi ni Universe. But it was fun as someone who always checks her phone. Swimming is the key para hindi i-check ang phone. So, I guess this will be a daily thing. Daily thing ang okay. Nagpipicture na lang kami. May bug. May bug kasi.
Alam niyo lang na mandatory yung dates namin yung pag nag-crash out kami.
Crash out dates. Ito na yung title ng vlog na to. Crashing out. Caps lock with a lot
The
of
first
exclamation points.
Wait lang.